this Knex car. Prepare to be amazed. Very difficult to make, but very easy to do. This is a chain of 3 rubber bands. First I'll show you when you just push it, then I'll show you when you power it. It doesn't go that far when you power it because it's so heavy, but it still looks really cool. I'm pushing it. And it can go even further. Or it can go like, boom. And now we're going to see it powered by rubber band. So you knock the rubber band on in the front, like this. You put the end you want knotted around there through last. So you pull this around and wedge this through. That's the end I wanted, so I put it last. And now you pull it around back, and then you wind it up, and you have to watch out, okay? That wasn't that good of a spin. It works better if you concentrate its power. So let's see. I didn't concentrate it enough. You concentrate it there, and then that's too loose. Tighten it up a bit. And you want to have this part as tight as you can. So you see? You pull it round, then you tighten it up, concentrate it. And then you're ready to let it go. 3, 2, 1, go. And if you want to see more of it, you can watch Knex Car Video Part 2. Bye!